Today, we are looking at Samsung's latest flip phone, the ZFlip 5. While the concept of flip phones is an old one, Samsung's Flip series has got to be one of the more exciting ones. The Flip 5 is the 5th iteration in the series, and I just have to say that this is one of the most fun phones that I've tried. As a preface, this is my first experience with the modern flip phone. I really do like the concept of this flipping thing. There are some big improvements coming from the previous one. The flicks window, the secondary screen while the phone is unflipped, is a whole lot bigger now. Almost 4 times bigger than the Flip 4. You can read notifications, swipe left to access essential widgets or to access the control panels. And my favorite is to access the camera all from this screen. Why do I like this feature the best? Well, because you can access the back camera to take pictures and use this screen as a viewfinder. The other one, which I do not know why Samsung did not market enough about, is that this mode has a fantastic vlogging mode. Don't believe me? Well, check this out. What's not to like? White composition? Check. Good video camera quality? Check. Stabilized video? Check. Good audio quality? Check. So yeah, fantastic vlogging mode. So as you can see, this has a wide angle and it's perfect for vlogging. And the distance between the phone and my face, it's about maybe 10 inches, give or take. But wow, really good. Under the hood, it's running the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of onboard storage. Although the battery isn't big, it's actually only 3700 mAh. It runs more than 9 hours from my last test, and this is quite excellent. The screen is another feature of the Flip 5, which is fantastic too. No surprises there, as it's equipped with a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a 2640 by 1080p at 120Hz screen refresh rate. Really love the screen. One of my most favorite things to do using the phone is watching YouTube at this mode. I don't really know what it's called, but I'm just gonna call it the cradle mode. Check out this intuitive design. So here I'm watching a video, and as soon as I bent it to the cradle mode, the YouTube video controls immediately goes here while the video screen goes to the top. This is just super cool. The one thing which I didn't like is the placement of the biometric fingerprint scanner. It is just a bit awkward to reach that far. I thought that somewhere here would be more logical. This is a tall phone, and after flipping this phone to its full length, while unlocking using face scanner is available, sometimes you just want to unlock the phone using your fingerprint. The placement is just a bit too high and it isn't a natural position for my hand. I have long fingers, big hands, so I'm not exaggerating about it being too high up. Overall, I think this is a really fun phone to have. I loved using this for the past 2 weeks. Phones for the longest time has been way too similar and a bit too familiar, like the iPhone. It gets stale over time, and I mainly use my iPhone for just communicating and note-taking. Using the Flip 5 has brought a new excitement on phone usage. While close, it makes for a fantastic size to keep in your pocket. My main phone is of course the iPhone 15 Pro, and if I ever wanted to get a second phone, an Android phone that is, it would certainly be the Flip 5 because it's just so pocketable and it's really fun to use. Alright guys, that's it for the video. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification button to be notified whenever I upload new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Happy New Year ahead. Bye!